Alright, hello everybody. We are down here on the ground level of the Stone Street parking garage in downtown Rochester. There's a map of the garage. We're going to take a ride on these elevators right here. It's been a while since I've gotten a good video of these. And I go over a little history of these elevators. These were originally Haughtons with L-series fixtures installed in 1974. Then in 2018, these were upgraded into OTIS Gen2s with these fixtures right here. We are going to take this to the roof level and we will watch the floors going up. These are just about as fast as the old Haughtons. However, I think they are just a wee bit slower. This bank seems to run pretty well. Now the Broad Street elevators, the elevators that are on the other side of this garage, do not run very well at all. That's the bank over there, the bank that does not go to the roof level. We will take this back to the ground level and I am off to the Strong Museum of Play. This is actually a pretty nice elevator, honestly. It is just your basic ordinary OTIS Gen2, however, it isn't really that bad. It runs pretty well. Here we are at 3. Are you headed down?
Yeah.
Which floor are you headed to?
2.
You're headed to 2? All right, that is no problem.
Thank you.
It's no problem at all. We'll head down to 2. All right, we're here at 2, and you have a very nice day.
Thank you, you too.
We leveled a second ago. We're off to ground. Here we are. Classic ones, just a little bit. In some of my videos today, I'm going to be filming on my GoPro. This is probably going to be one of my last iPhone videos because I want to save my battery for a little later. However, that's going to be it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.